another day in the life of
And it goes a little something like.
Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I just woke up, and let's get ready for the day because I was like, let's just start this bright and early in the morning. Okay, I'm gonna quickly set up because my client's probably gonna be here in a second. I need to like get my stuff together a little bit. Hold on. I first have an underarm wax. So, oh my gosh, will my bag fit in here? I don't know. Hold on, y'all. I gotta make the bag fit. Ugh. I don't think it's gonna. Okay, I'll have to put the bag. I don't know where to put my bag. Shoot. So it's just a quick little underarm. I already finished. And now the rest are brow waxes and a makeup application. So I have to actually go get my makeup really quick. I already just washed my hands, but I want to sanitize them a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my makeup and I'm gonna set it up right there. And yeah. So let me go do that right now, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm out of breath, but I am back. I'll move my paper towels again, because I feel like I can't see you guys unless I move my paper towels. I have all my makeup over here. Wait a second. Okay. Now, let me try to keep it as like a minimal setup as possible. That's why I bought the bags, so that I could as least as I can. I obviously have to set this up though. So back here. Then I have my brushes, and then I have the 3 powders I like to use. And then yeah, I have all my bags. So this has like all my stuff in it. And then I might keep those over there. And then I have my palettes. So I try to keep it as like minimal as I can because it's hard to like set up and down the makeup. So I'm gonna move you guys over here. I'll put you guys right there. So I have this right here. Sponges. I have all my powders in here, all of my lip stuff in here, and all my little lashes. I have multiple lash containers now, but I keep them all in here, and I have 2 of these now. And I don't really need those right now, but yeah, so I'm gonna keep those out, and then my palettes that I always take out. So I have my typical Z palette of colors, the naturals, and my blush palette that's in my other kit. So, okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of a deep clean on some of my makeup. Give me 1 second though. I had a little scooper but I don't know where it went, so we'll just use my tweezers. Here's all my colors, and then I'm gonna clean this out with barbicide. Better. Oh, why is this camera flying at me? Okay, so I just finished my makeup application and it looked so good. Like, I was like, wow, this is good. And then I did the brow wax and tint really quick because she was like out there waiting, and I was like, you know what, just coming in, like, sorry for the makeup mess, but she didn't really care. She's like a long-time client of mine, so I was like, just ignore the makeup unless you want to sit out there while I clean up the entire thing. But I don't think she wanted to. So now I am gonna clean up my makeup because I still have 4 more brow wax and tints, but they're later. It's 1:30 right now, and they're coming at 4:30, 4:45, 5, and 5:30. So I don't need any of this, and then I can go home and like eat something, even though I'm not like starving. I don't know, but I probably should eat something. I also want to edit my nighttime routine video because I want to post that. I just posted today, if you guys saw that. Let's see how it's doing on the channel. Let's see. Yeah, this real day in my life. I talk about how I quit Chili's. Like, as you guys already are watching it, you know that I've already quit Chili's and stuff. But yeah, so I need to edit my nighttime, post that, I'll post this, and then yeah, I'm gonna try and post more in October. Now that I quit Chili's, I have like more time to focus on YouTube, focus on my business and stuff like that. So let me like get all my stuff together and cleaned up, and then I'll catch back with you guys. Okay, I'm in my car. I want to show you guys 2 makeup things. So I bought this mirror. It's a lot smaller than I thought. But I bought this for my weddings, and then I bought some lip applicators and mascara wands. And that'll be for tomorrow. I think now though, I'm gonna do 2 returns to Ulta, and I need to buy more lashes because the lashes I bought online were not correct. Like, I think they sent me the wrong ones because they just don't look like the picture at all. So yeah, I'm gonna return those, buy new ones, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Also, I'm a little blurry. I think it's focusing on my steering wheel, but that's fine. Okay, I am back, and while I'm waiting for my clients to come, I'm going to, oh gosh, make more strips because I am out. So let me put it right here, and I'll start with like a small amount. I mean, I need a lot, but this is good.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm all ready for my brow waxes. I know, I just watched your vlog today. Oh, thanks. I know it's got a lot of views already. I quit Chili's. Did Kyle tell you? Yeah, and I watched your vlog. Oh yeah, because it's in my vlog. Do you see how that one is thick? Yes. Like, what is going on? It's just growing. Right? It's like driving me crazy. I haven't got them done in a long time. So
Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting times learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by. Oh, I don't know why when life is beautiful I start to fear it'll slip through my fingers and just disappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist and sea, sand and ember trees. Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna sit there cold and sleep back in our town. Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. But it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on.
okay, so I recorded Natalie's brow wax, which is what you guys just saw, and then I finished my last brow wax of the day. And yeah, I did it on my little chair today. Worked out really well. I'm gonna sit you guys down. But yeah, today I made a decent amount of money, which is good, and I wanted to show you guys. I made this sheet. If you guys are interested in maybe like having it, I don't know, for like tax purposes or something, I could share it if you want. But it's like this little wait for it to load, this little like income sheet, and it calculates it for me. So like I could put all my card sales, cash sales, and wedding income, because I am gonna try to like not really write anything off this year. I want to like show a decent amount of income, so I would like to know how much income I actually make, like, and keep track of it. And yeah, so I made that little Excel sheet because I was like, well, that'll be easier to like keep track of it that way, and then after every day I just like write how much I made for that day. But yeah, I'm basically done for the day. I'm gonna blow out my candle. I put the lid on it. I'll let that sit there. I'll lock my iPad. But I'm thinking, sometimes I want to take my iPad with me, but then sometimes I don't. So it like depends. I have my little iPad case. This is my little iPad case. Okay, let me get ready to go. And then like now see what my mom wants to do for like dinner and stuff. but I have 2 weddings. I have a wedding tomorrow and I have a wedding on Saturday, so I won't be here, but I'll still obviously be making money. I just have weddings, so I'm basically just kind of like closing up for like the next couple days, because then I obviously don't work Mondays here either, so I won't be here Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, but I'll be back here Tuesday. So I'm just closing everything up, making sure everything is cleaned. This is ready for whenever I have a client for here. Okay, Kylie and I are gonna spray tan each other. So here's the fit. Okay, this is the I'm getting spray tanned fit. I'm wearing very loose sweats. Like they're so loose, like it's ridiculous. And then I'm wearing a big crew neck and I got my hair up. But yeah, so I'm gonna put some slides on as well. I think they're right here. And then I'm gonna go back to the salon suite and see what she's doing, because she had clients until 8 o'clock or 7:30, and it is 7 right now. So I'll just like mosey on over and make my way over there and see what she's doing. Okay, so I am back home now and nice and tan. And I'm now going to edit my nighttime routine vlog. And then I'm gonna watch more of Tell Me Lies. It's so good on Hulu. And then I'm gonna relax for the night. So I'm just gonna right now edit this for a little bit so that this can be done, so I don't have to think about it. Then I have this vlog. I'm doing pretty good for October, don't you say? Don't you think? I mean, but yeah, I need the camera card that's in here. So